So if you watch my last video, you know that my starter failed. So the Bendix, it's actually the problem. I ordered a Bendix, but the problem is that it's not the same. So this is the new one, and this is the old one, as you can see. And the old one, it has only one spring, but it should has four. And here what I'm trying to do, it's taking parts from the new one because it's not the same, and put the springs in the old one. The main reason it's not the same, my rotor has 3 lines. I don't know how it's in English, but there are 3 deep lines, and the new one, it's for a rotor with 4 deep lines. And here, so I'm trying to figure it out if I could reuse some of the parts, or if it's possible to use some of the new parts. Because to be honest, I was thinking only to change only the base and everything else inside to use from the new one, but it seems it's not the same. It's using like 5 springs, but the old one is using 4. Anyway, the main idea here is just to use the springs at the end, and maybe it will be possible to reuse this starter, to be honest, because I don't want to order a new one currently. I'm not still in the where I would like to be when I start ordering new parts, just because they are more reliable. Still, I have a lot of things to do before I start put some more money in the car. So I'm trying to keep the budget low as possible, and that's why I decided to try to break the new one and use the parts from the new one. But just I will later on I will explain you what I managed to do, and just watch the video. I think it's quite sufficient and self-explanatory. So here it's as well I'm putting a lot of grease. So the main key here to put all together, it's using grease to put everything on place, and then put all together. But as I said, just watch, and I think it's self-explanatory and you understand what exactly I did. Here I'm trying to measure if it's possible to use the new wheel, but it's just a little bit more higher, and that's why I was not able to use the new one, so I used the old one. At the end, I only use the springs, nothing else, unfortunately. Here already started putting all together. So it's a good idea to put a lot of grease, but sometimes if you put too much, it will do totally mess inside, and you don't forget that there's electrical circuits and stuff like that. So it's not a good idea to have everywhere oil or grease or whatever. So put a grease, but as I said, be careful, not too much. And I think well, everything, it's all together at the end, and I hope, and today I think I will test if it will do the job, or I will order a new starter, because I didn't find, I couldn't find any different bendix from this which I ordered, and it seems it's not like mine. So that's why I tried this one, and if this is not working, unfortunately I have to order a new starter. But let's hope for the best and see if this will do the job and it will be not needed.